Yeah, this your boy Bojack. Know what I'm saying? Ex-Vino Vision. They got a little cold, so we about to head it back on in. Just want to give you a close-up of this shit, though, man. This shit look crazy out here, though. People, cars buried. Them cars on the streets, man. Buried and shit. Fucked up. The streets, though. Look at the church. Look like a snow avalanche or waterfall or something, don't it? Yeah, it's fucked up out here. But yeah, on into warm weather. So my motherfucking cam stop shutting off. Nah, man. Well, yeah, it's fucked up out here, though. But it ain't too stupid, though. You know what I'm saying? They gotta keep the banger. You know what I mean?